Yo, what's up guys? Going back to Irvin's house again. Bro, I gotta stop going to Irvin's house, man. Today is the final day where we actually finish up the car. We're gonna put it together. It's painted and I'm super stoked. You know, words can't explain how I feel right now because this shit was a long process. It took almost a week just for us to get it painted. We're finally gonna put it on. So yeah, I'll show you guys when we get there how it looks. So once I'm there, and let's go. Let's roll out, bros. This is what we got. Nice clean primer on the whole bumper that we gotta sand down. All right guys, so we got a few of the fenders sanded down with 400 grit. Let's get some paint on this bad boy soon after we do the last bumper. We got both the fenders sanded down. Now we just gotta get the bumper and we gotta get it smoothing out so we can start painting this. So yep, that's the update so far. How you feeling, bro?
Like ass, this shit sucks.
Dude, bodywork, it's absolutely, like, I know why they pay the guys who paint your shit a lot more, or the guys who do the body work for you, because
it's not worth it.
All right guys, so after a lot of sanding, a lot of body work, and a lot of patience, we finally got done with sanding it to 400 grit, so it's ready for paint after it's wiped. So that's gonna be pretty sick. It looks good, it feels good, and I think it's gonna turn out good. What do you think, Irvin?
I think I feel like shit.
Bumper's good, it feels great, and I'm super excited because Irvin's about to paint it up, and you guys are gonna see the finished product. I think we're gonna let it dry for how long? Like,
I mean, at least a day.
all right, guys, leaving Irvin's house because he's gonna paint it. I have a date. But look at this. Dead ass gonna hop in my IS like this. Look at that. First time painting, dude. Good job.
It's got a few imperfections.
Yeah, but you guys can't see it on camera, so
Not
it's all good.
necessarily happy about it, but
Hey, dude.
a little work and she'll look better.
It's not bad for the first time, though. Like, look at this. She looks good. Like, this isn't bad, dude. Oh, I see the runs right here.
Yeah, dude, I fucked it up.
It's all good, though, dude. It's not bad. Everything else looks good from a distance. Like, even on camera, it looks good.
From a good little distance away, you wouldn't be able to tell.
Let's take it this way. If I didn't say there was drip on here, if it wasn't dripping, you guys wouldn't even notice.
I gotta fucking work on this shit. Once I get better at it, we'll fucking bring all this shit back in and fucking get it repainted.
So let's get these on the car, and I'll show you guys how it looks after everything is on. So let's get to it. Here we go, guys. Next is the bumper. That thing looks good, dude. This rag looks ridiculous.
The first two fenders are on.
On camera, you can't even tell, dude.
Honestly, I'm not even mad about it.
Why would you be?
It looks fucking, looks alright. Looks alright.
Dude, wait till the side skirts are on.
Yeah, it's gonna look even better with side skirts. They just still open, that's why the gap is still a little weird.
Looks aggressive.
It's gonna look good.
I like it. All right, let's get this last bumper on and side skirts. All right, guys, so we got the bumper on. Everything looks sick. I'm digging it, dude. Ooh, this is so scary. Aggressive fitment, clean. Paint came out good, Irvin Ortega. I'm proud of you. Ready?
Definitely. I'm not proud of myself.
I mean, like I said, it looks good on camera. Look at that. It's got to give the car a wash, and then we can get a better idea. But it looks good.
I'll turn the camera off for this.
No cap.
What?
Man, I'm digging this, dude. Especially from this angle. Butter. She's looking clean, bro. So, yep, that's it, guys. I got everything in, and I think we're solid. We're good. What do you think?
I think it looks alright.
What?
I think it's decent. For how cheap it is, it's decent.
For how cheap it is, honestly, dude, it looks pretty decent.
Because, I mean, like, how much was this total?
It's 530 bucks, I think.
530 bucks plus like $100 for paint. 600 bucks.
600 bucks.
Got a paint matched fucking body kit installed.
Yeah.
It looks this good compared to like
honestly though, you know how much
2,000 for just
the real
the
stuff.
bumper.
Well, dude, get this. You know how much it costs for the fiberglass real fucking not the real HKS, but the fiberglass reps? That's not Duraflex. It was like 600 bucks. So basically, I got the fenders for free, and it's paint matched somewhat. Good job, man.
For my first paint job ever, I'm not
I mean,
that mad about it.
are you gonna see this down the road and be like, yo, that thing looks like crap? No. You're gonna be like, holy shit, did you see that IS300? Yep, and that's the purpose. Next, we're gonna do hood vents, kind of balance it out, but the back needs some work for sure. Like, we're rolling stock in the back right now. But yeah, that's it, guys. I guess that ends part 3 from the beginning. If you haven't seen the videos, go back and watch it. We got it from start to finish, from getting the fenders as is, from Driven by Style, shout out to them. And obviously it needs work. You get what you pay for. And if you're willing to put in the work, honestly, we tried our best with most of it, and this is how it turned out. Not too bad.
I'm proud of how it came out. I just wish that the painting had gone a little smoother.
Yeah, I mean, other than that,
I also think that like how small the space was. I was kind of
pretty small.
crowded, so it was like there were some parts that I couldn't really avoid getting the gun far enough.
But hey, dude, it's all a learning experience, and like I said, guys, this is the first time we've ever done this, so honestly, I'm not mad.
I'm stoked about it.
I'm not mad at all, dude.
I think as a completed product, it looks good.
It looks good. Yeah, if you guys haven't seen the last videos, we go from first getting it to where it is now. Go watch it. But other than that, that completes part 3 of the wide fenders in the front HKS bumper, and the Charge Speed wide fenders, actually. So, you know, subscribe, like, share, stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys in the next one, I guess.
See you guys later.
Peace out.